Hi, I'm Wendy from Shiny Happy World, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the very simple duck or goose pattern. Here's how to make it. Okay, this is the video showing you how to assemble the duck or goose pattern, applique pattern if you are using a light box. So I've got my light box set up. I've got my light box turned all the way up, my placement guide, and a clear silicone sheet. And I've got all of my pieces prepared. So the paper-backed fusible adhesive is fused to the back side of the fabric, and then I cut each piece out on the solid lines. The dotted lines that you see in the pattern, you can ignore. Those are there as placement guides for people who are not using a light box. So this pattern can be a duck or a goose, and it can specifically be a Canada goose if you decide to put that little cheek patch in there. This one, I am just making a duck. It is as simple as can be. This is a 3-piece pattern. So we're going to start with piece number 1, the beak. And then piece number 2 is his head. And then piece number 3 is his eye. Easy peasy. All right, I'm going to carefully lift up the silicone mat, take it over to my ironing board, fuse all of these pieces together. Then I will let it cool, then peel it off the silicone mat and do the fuse onto the quilted block that's going to be its background block in the quilt. I'll do all of the outline stitching, and then I'll bring it back here and show you this finished duck, and then another duck and a goose that I made as a Canada goose to show you what that looks like with that little cheek patch in there. Okay, here is a finished Canada goose. Obviously, this is not in authentic Canada goose colors. Normally, the neck and the beak would be black, and this little patch on his cheek would be white. But I'm making an Arctic chill quilt, and all of the animals are going to be using my Sea Breeze color palette. So they're all very soft, kind of pastel, sort of desaturated colors, and there's no harsh black or white anywhere in the quilt. But you could certainly do it in realistic colors. Here are also a couple of versions that don't have that little cheek patch on them. So this is a duck that I made in pretty realistic colors. This is for a pond bundle that I'm putting together. And I've got one more version that I made. So this is a duck for a farm animals quilt bundle that I'm putting together, where all of the animals are made with these ginghamy kind of prints and then a darker blender in the same color collection. So that is how you put together the duck or goose applique pattern. You can get that at shinyhappyworld.com. I'm Wendy, and I will see you next time.